Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about my week 7 portfolio for the Robinhood challenge. We hit another milestone with $5,000 invested into my portfolio. Today I'm going to be investing $1,000 into a couple stocks, so stay tuned and let's get right into it. So let's pull it up. On the day we're up $9.75, which is 0.19%. On the week, we are up $44.58, which is 0.89%. On the month, we are up $75.11 for 1.15%. And on the 3 months so far, we're up $96.81, which is a 1.96 return. So I'm just gonna go ahead and break down what I already own so far. We got Apple, real estate, AT&T, AGNC, CubeSmart, ConocoPhillips, Coca-Cola, KO, Disney, Ford, Hanesbrands, Iron Mountain, SPHD, JP Morgan Chase, Peggy, Pfizer, Starbucks, Unilever, CEFL, RDS.B, and that's Royal Dutch Shell, so the Shell gas station, Energy Transfer, and BP, which is British Petroleum. So, the portfolio has been growing over the last 3 months. It's up $97, which has been great progress. And so let's just see what I have on my watch list right now. So recently, over the last couple of years, the oil industry has been taking a really big hit. So it's all been on the decline in the last couple of years. But, most people see that as a selling point, which it shouldn't really be seen as a selling point because, as you know, probably at the end of each week, you're going to have to fill up your car with gas, get an oil change. That industry is just not going out of business. We all know the big ones: Exxon Mobil, BP, British Petroleum, Shell, and there's a lot more other like gas stations, such companies that are just, every corner you see a gas station, and it's usually those bigger brands. So they're down right now, so you should definitely take advantage of getting those oil stocks. But on my watch list, I still have Exxon Mobil. We could click on that, which is at a price of $68.70. And you can see on the 5-year chart, it's down 28.69%. So it's down 30% on a good deal. So, I don't know if it's going to go even lower. Who knows? But this is definitely a good buying point. We're getting it for 30% off. So you never know when that will happen again. We got Duke Energy, Apple. I still think Apple is a little high for me to buy right now, but I'm still looking into that. McDonald's, I might have to capture some of that next week because it is on a low price. As you can see, the 3 months, it's down almost 10%, which is at a good deal. Let's go back. Pepsi, I'm still keeping my eye on that. Waste management, like I said, Bill Gates is invested into that, and it's garbage. So we always have garbage to throw out, and somebody got to collect it at the end of the day. So we have Verizon, Walmart as well. We could look at Walmart. It's taking a little toll today. It's not even a lot, 42 cents. On the week, down 25 cents. The 1 month, down 50 cents. But on the past 3 months, it's up 5%. So there is steady growth happening right there. And the last one that is honestly on a great discount, as you can see on the 5-year, this is Simon Property Group. So they're down 15% on the last 5 years. Simon Property Group is a mall REIT. So it's a company who owns real estate, and the type of real estate they own are malls, and it's the largest mall real estate investment trust in the country, I believe. So any big mall that you probably go to, they probably have a little stake in it, or they probably own it fully. I like real estate stocks because it's just like housing. There's always going to be people that need a place to either sell their products or services, or just need a place to live and to have shelter. So that business is evergreen, which means it's just going to stay around until the day that we all pass and just honestly forever. So REITs, real estate investment trusts, are things you should definitely look into. Let's just see how many real estate investment trusts I do actually own currently. Iron Mountain is a real estate investment trust. They store documents and materials for companies, so that's a good one. Let's see what else we got. We got CubeSmart, so they're a storage facility. So, you know, all the stuff that you have in your house that you probably want to keep but don't want to throw out, then you would get a storage unit and then you would pay monthly on that just for the space. So that concept right there is never going out of style. AGNC, which is, you know, real estate as well. Apple shares right here. The Apple Hospitality REIT, they own a bunch of hotels. They have a Marriott, Sheraton's. So they're very diversified when it comes to that type of business. So I know I didn't show which ones I bought this week. I did put $1,000 into it, but we have Energy Transfer right here at $11.87. I'm currently down $13.94, but as you can see, the dividend yield is 9.24%, which is really high. And I checked their financials and they have the money and the capital to pay out their investors the dividend for 9.24%. I have 41 shares, which brings the cash flow in about $50 a year. So every 3 months I'll be getting like a $13 check, which is really nice. And I really want this to go down because I want to keep on acquiring more shares. That's the point. You know, you have a great company, and when the price goes down, that's when you want to keep on grabbing more shares of it so that, you know, your income can grow. And as you can see on the 5-year, it's been getting hit hard at 62%. Now, Energy Transfer is a company that has a lot of oil pipelines that run throughout the country. So they transfer, literally they transfer energy. That's why they're called Energy Transfer. And we have British Petroleum, BP. You've seen the gas stations and the whole 9 yards. On the 5-year, it's doing okay, but you know, it is down 11%, 6% on the year, and they pay a hefty dividend of 6.4%, which comes out, I forgot what the number was, but it has a nice decent cash flow for me with my equity of $453. So that pays out a good dividend every 3 months, and that adds to my cash flow. So those are the two, and you can see Energy Transfer right here. I did put $486 of my equity into that, and BP at $450, so just over $900 or so. And I did, you know, I always buy whatever I have left over, a share of Ford, and I bought a share of Iron Mountain. So, you know, I'm constantly adding to the positions I have. You know, once you just keep on building up this portfolio, the dividends is just going to keep on adding up and adding up. So in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be showing you guys how much over time. I think I'm going to do it month to month, or maybe once every 2 months, show you how much cash flow from dividends I'm receiving every single year, so you guys are updated on my journey about how much money that my portfolio makes me passively for every single year. So that is all, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Next week, I don't think I'm going to be investing $1,000, but I will be buying probably more oil stocks. They are at a discount, like I said, so grab you some. Maybe I'm going to pick up Exxon Mobil. Who knows? You're just going to have to tune into the next one. But, you know, I just want to say that, you know, you don't want to look cool by buying the things that are designer and, you know, or being consumer of a company. Yeah, that is good to a point, but you want to capitalize on these opportunities that they give you throughout the stock market. So if the prices of a great company or a company that you shop at all the time and you see that you're addicted to it, they have that sort of element of consumer need, and that fulfills you, and so that's exactly why you're obsessed with it, and you go buy and give them your money. Try to take a look at the stock market and seeing that if it's at a good price where you could buy it, and if they pay a dividend. And so, you know, that's how you start to transfer wealth. You know, you get wise with your money. Instead of buying new shoes, let's say Adidas, like the last video I dropped, you buy some Adidas stock. So that's just the difference that I'm trying to preach to y'all. I'm trying to make investing cool, and I'm just trying to make sure that we all understand what's going on in the world around us, so that we could also benefit from what other big businesses are doing, and we could all do that through the stock market. So thank you guys for watching so much. Please please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.